Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in the match or lobby. Pause and open settings immediately to change controls. You want to access controller or keyboard mappings, so select the gear icon at top right. Once done, confirm you're in the right profile. Switch accounts if you need platform-specific bindings. This matters because controls can be saved per account. Changing the wrong profile wastes time. Now move to Input or Controls tab to begin remapping actual buttons and keys. You're now remapping. Choose Movement, Abilities, or Menu controls to avoid chaos. When you pick an action, press the new button or key. The game will register that input. Make sure to set modifiers like LT or L1 when required, because abilities often need combos. Once assigned, test the action with the in-menu tester or a quick practice match to confirm responsiveness. If multiple inputs conflict, resolve them before saving to prevent accidental inputs during fights. You must save and apply changes, otherwise your remap won't persist. After saving, immediately test controls in the practice arena or a quick match to verify timing and combos. If an input feels off or unresponsive, rebind that control, then restart the game. Make sure controller drivers and platform settings don't override bindings. One troubleshooting tip: unplug and reconnect controllers and reassign keys. This often clears ghost inputs or priority conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.